Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel AI Ways. In this video, I will walk you through the entire sign up process step by step on your mobile phone. It's quick, easy, and I'll make sure you get it right on the first try. First, make sure you've got your DeepSeek application installed on your device. So now launch it. Now here you will see a login page. Since we are creating a new account, look for the sign up button and tap on it. Now let's fill out the form with your details. Here what you'll need to enter. Enter your email address. I'll just go with this one. A strong password. Re-enter your password. Before continuing, you will need to agree to DeepSeek's terms and conditions. Check the box. And now tap on send code to get the OTP. Okay, here I just have to tap on the smallest yellow prism. Now DeepSeek will send you a verification email. Go to your inbox. Find the email. And tap sign up. And yes, that's it. You have successfully created your DeepSeek account right from your mobile. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment if you have any queries. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.